Hello and welcome to this Blender tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to render with a transparent background. You see, if I press F12 right now, I'll get my HDRI in the background. Of course, if you don't want that, that's not ideal. To render with transparent background, first you go to your render settings and under where it says film, you toggle transparent. You can see that this is working. If you press Z and switch to rendered mode, then the background will be like in little squares. Okay, so if we render now, you have your image with a transparent background and you can save it with Ctrl S. Now, if you want it as an animation, you'll have to flip a few more settings. In order to do so, you'll have to go down to Output, and where it says Output, you have to change the file format to PNG or anything that supports RGBA. Now, you can only render it as an image sequence and put it together later, as if you set it to video, any of these options won't give you the option of RGBA. Press Ctrl F12. Now you can see an animation is being rendered as images with transparent background. I hope this helped you out. Have a great day.